Alright guys, so this is our
dinner review.
Yeah. So our recap from, making the blackened chicken penne pasta with charred poblanos and Monterey Jack cheese. Yes, I just read that off the card that is in front of me.
I personally thought it was very delicious. I like grilled chicken pasta. I like Cajun chicken pasta, and it's reminded me of a Cajun chicken pasta with the blackened seasoning and all the flavors. So I really liked it. It could have been a little bit more cheese in it, but the white sauce was pretty good. I think the garlic herb butter that we used, the Kerrygold extra butter, gave it a little bit more flavor. Overall, I thought it was really good. Our breadsticks and the bread that we used with it gave it a nice finish. It'd have been a complete meal if we had like a side salad or something, but I'm full, and I think it was really good. And our son, who had just had some, he said he would like to say a few words about it. So let's turn the camera on.
I just had that position really good.
So I just got done with a workout, and I feel like it's really good at like filling you up after a workout. It's a really filling dish, and it was really good.
What would you rate it from 1 to 10? If you'd ordered this at a restaurant.
How much money is it at the restaurant?
$10.
10?
10 out of 10? That's a pretty good rating.
Well, let me get my keto ice cream then.
Alright.
What did you think about it, Eric?
Well, as far as preparing it, I would recommend, if you got, it says prep time 10 minutes, total 25 minutes. I'm going to call BS on that because, well, maybe not. No.
Well, in the interest of fairness, our daughter does HelloFresh too, and she got the same meal.
Yeah.
So we combined ours all together, so we had twice as much, so it took twice as long. Without all the extra stuff, it probably would have only taken 10 minutes to prep the vegetables.
Probably. I do got to say the garlic I got, I did have to throw out. It was super dry, so that, HelloFresh kind of dropped the ball on that.
Luckily, we were a big garlic house, and I had a whole bag of garlic, and we just
whole bag of garlic. I got crushed garlic. I got whole garlic, fresh garlic, powdered garlic, shrimp stew, garlic stew. Overall, no, the flavor, it was all there. I mean,
it had a really good flavor. Sometimes the HelloFreshes can be a little bland, and you got to add your own kick to them. But this one was really flavorful. It had all kinds of layers of flavor, like the sauce on the noodles, and then the chicken had its own flavor, and then it had tomatoes and chives on top, and then you drizzled hot sauce over that, and then the sprinkled cheese. I mean, there was just layers and layers of flavor. It was really good.
My dog here is going to be a pain in the butt. She has to have 24-hour attention. Take her go on up.
Dog gets more.
Anyhow, no, overall, the blackened chicken penne was really delicious.
Mm-hmm.
I highly recommend getting that one. And, HelloFresh sends you these cards. They have what's that? Right there on the side.
Yeah, it tells you all of the ingredients.
A shopping list.
So you can recreate the meal, like if you really liked it and you don't want to reorder it from HelloFresh, you want to do it on your own. It tells you everything that you need from the grocery store.
I think the only thing that you might have issues with is the chicken stock concentrate, because I've looked in the stores a couple times and finding weird concentrates seems to be.
Yeah, I haven't seen chicken stock concentrate, but you might be able to find it from like a specialty store. Or chicken stock, like the bouillon cubes, those are stock concentrates. So you might be able to substitute that.
Yeah.
But yeah, everything else is pretty common.
And if you go by portion size, this is only 860 calories.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Not a bad meal.
We didn't give you a portion size, buddy. We gave you a fat boy portion.
Now, our daughter didn't like it. She didn't eat it. She said that the
flavors didn't go together.
She said that she didn't like all the flavors, and she felt like the chicken tasted more like it belonged on like a chicken taco. Everybody else loved it and ate it. So, I mean, everybody has their own taste. I highly recommend this one. I really enjoyed it.
I definitely recommend that. Second that. I mean, full on out. I mean, blackened chicken anything is going to be good. The fact that it just went over a nice creamy pasta made it even better. So, personally, I wouldn't change anything about it. I think, I mean, maybe.
Well, you could add a little bit more hot sauce if you want more spice.
They only gave us a small packet of the Trulu sauce, or I don't know how do you pronounce that?
Yeah.
Trulu.
It actually shows the dishes prepared with the hot sauce drizzle over top. Our son wasn't here when we made the plates, so he didn't get the hot sauce drizzle. So, but he's a big fan of heat. None of us are really a fan of heat.
I used to be a fan of heat, and then my stomach started getting destroyed. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Get down. Get down.
So that's our episode of What's Cooking for today.
Yes.
What's Cooking blackened chicken penne from HelloFresh.
What were we doing earlier?
Ooh. We hope you enjoy. Again, if you want to see my husband bake a cake, which he's never done in
from
his entire
scratch.
life.
I ain't talking about buying a box. I'm talking about whipping the flour, adding cocoa. And
I am compelled to start 50 YouTube channels just to go on and comment on this video myself to make him make this cake. I so want to see it.
I can't bake a no-bake cookie. I'm not gonna lie. I can't take the Nestle cookies that come in a pack and you cut them, and you put them on a pan, and they grow into cookies like plants in water.
I'm saying this. The only guy I know that can bake is my uncle.
My brother Travis is a really good chef. Travis, if you're watching this, you are a very good baker.
You are a good baker.
We are not.
I
didn't get that gene, and
I can get baked.
Wow.
All right, guys. Until next time. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna be HelloFresh or if it's gonna be grilling. Whether we're gonna make a breakfast, make a lunch, it might be a bologna sandwich. I don't know. Maybe fried tostadas.
Oh, tostadas.
What?
Fancy.
Tostadas. Fancy.
Hamburger wraps tutorial.
We do a hamburger wrap. That's a kind of a bummy kind of food, but
leave us some comments on what you'd like to see us make.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can find it on HelloFresh, and if not, we'll find a recipe and we'll do it for you.
None of that seafood crap, because I ain't that. I moved to the south, and they were like, "Why'd you move to the south? It's not but seafood."
No seafood.
I don't eat seafood.
If you want to see seafood, I'll cook it.
So, till next time, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.
Bye.